Test, test, test. I'm going here, looking around, and I'm stopping. Hi, and welcome to my first video. I'm looking at 3 different lesson plans today. The first one is a lesson plan for observing the sun and its warmth on bags of chocolate, and this is for grade 1 science lesson. I really like this lesson because, well, one, I like chocolate, and also because it has so many learning objectives. Students are writing, they're exploring with an activity where they put a bag of chocolate in the shade and a bag of chocolate in the sun, and they're seeing what happens, and they're actually making a prediction of what happens. They are drawing in their science journals, so there's that science aspect and that art aspect as well. And then I also really liked that they were doing a physical activity too while they were waiting for their chocolate to melt. They were playing the weather game, acting out types of weather, which I thought it was great that first graders were getting their wiggles out. So, spoiler alert, this is my favorite lesson so far. But I also wanted to show some other lessons. So for the older kids, if we go to our middle school lesson, this lesson is also about the sun's warmth, but the emphasis is on sun safety. And so students take 3 sets of UV beads and they soak them each with different types of sunscreen to see what happens. And you know, I think it's really cool that this lesson also has a health component to it, and especially in Florida, I think that this would be a great activity so that students can see the effect of sunscreen and why it's important to wear it, and this lesson also shows the sun's energy. So that was my middle grades lesson, and then for my high school lesson, I chose a lesson where students are broken into groups. So again, this is a sort of a cooperative activity, and they are basically using balls that are metal, and they are seeing by feeling which balls get the hottest and which balls cool the fastest, and which balls stay hottest the longest. So they are making predictions regarding that, and the expected results have to do with the fact that the smaller the metal balls are, the faster that they will cool, they will cool, and that has to do with mass. And again, I thought this was a great cooperative activity. So thank you for listening to my first video, and I will talk to you later. Bye.